Hi friends, let me show you this beautiful 4-panel room divider that I received for reviewing purposes. It has 4 panels, it has 2 shelves and up to 16 hooks to hang whatever you need. You can use this divider in your home, in any room, in a living room, in your entry hallway, or as we're going to do, in your office to give a nice touch to any part of your office. Let me show you. These are the shelves, and you put them through these holes, so you don't need any tool to fix this, okay? And you get 16 hooks that you can put like that and hang things. So let's put it here in my office. As you can see, really easy to install, nice wood finish, and let's try it. As you can see, you can use it with different options to give a nice touch to a corner here in our office, as you can see, or to hang collectibles or things that you use daily, like your keys. You could put your keys here whenever you're going out of your home. So this is a room divider that can be used for dividing 2 spaces or to give a nice touch to a corner or a public space like this. Thank you.